Have you ever felt like your confidence is holding you back from achieving your dreams? What if I told you that building unshakable confidence is easier than you think? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secrets that transformed my life and can do the same for you. Stick around, because this might just be the most important video you ever watch. Number 1, morning routine. First up, a structured morning routine. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. A good morning routine helps you feel organized, energized, and ready to tackle any challenges. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It could just be something as simple as making your bed or taking a walk outside. But you have to be consistent with it daily. One of the best morning routine you could practice is not hitting the snooze button. That's how you conquer your morning. You could begin your day with a short workout to get your blood flowing. It boosts your energy and sets a positive tone. Spend a few minutes meditating to clear your mind and reduce stress. This helps you stay focused and calm. And don't forget a healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with nutritious food to keep you energized and focused throughout the day. As Tim Ferriss said, if you win the morning, you win the day. A solid morning routine increases your productivity, improves your mood, and builds your confidence as you start your day on a positive note. Habit 2, goal setting. Next, set clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve gives you direction and purpose. Break your goals down into manageable steps and track your progress. Someone once said, "A person who knows where he is going will always win the race against someone who doesn't." Setting goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Make sure you celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This reinforces your confidence and drives you to keep moving forward. My previous video before this is about me celebrating my first subscriber. I know to some people it's not much, but I celebrate it as an achievement because it is one step towards the right direction. As Zig Ziglar said, what you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Habit 3, continuous learning. Third, commit to continuous learning. The more you know, the more confident you become. Make it a habit to learn something new every day. Whether it's reading a book, taking an online course, or watching educational videos, expanding your knowledge boosts your self-esteem and prepares you for any situation. As Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Habit 4, positive self-talk. Practice positive self-talk. This is something everyone must do. This is your first step to achieving greatness. The way you talk to yourself impacts your confidence. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Tell yourself that you are capable, strong, and deserving of success. Positive self-talk rewires your brain to focus on your strengths and achievements, boosting your confidence. As Norman Vincent Peale said, change your thoughts and you change your world. Habit 5, facing fears. Finally, face your fears. Stepping out of your comfort zone is crucial for building confidence. Whether it's speaking in public, learning a new skill, or taking on a challenging project, confronting your fears head-on will help you grow. Every time you face a fear and conquer it, your confidence grows. Embrace challenges and see them as opportunities for personal growth. As Eleanor Roosevelt said, do one thing every day that scares you. Incorporate these 5 habits into your daily routine and watch your confidence soar. Remember, confidence is built one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Man Up Academy for more tips on becoming the best version of yourself. Balance is mastery, gentlemen. Own your path.